In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to a Shopify store without a Google API key. We'll go through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have an interactive map embedded right on your store without dealing with any complicated developer settings or API keys. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This is where you manage how your storefront looks and feels. Under the Themes section, find your current theme and click on Edit Theme. That will open the theme editor, which lets you change the layout and content of your pages. Once you're inside the online store editor, decide where you want your Google map to appear. A popular choice is the contact page, because it makes your map feel like a store locator and helps customers quickly see where you're located. In the left-hand panel of the editor, click Add section. Scroll through the available section types and choose Custom Liquid. After you select it, a new section will appear, and you'll see a text box where you can paste code. This is where your map embed will go in a moment. Now switch over to your web browser and go to Google. Search for a Google Maps embed generator. There are several tools that can help you build an embed code without needing an API key. In that tool, search for your store's location. Then choose the map view you prefer, such as standard, satellite, hybrid, or terrain. Adjust the zoom level to show just the right area around your store and set the map size that works for your layout. If there's an option to make responsive, turn that on so the map scales nicely on mobile devices and different screen sizes. When everything looks good, click the button to generate the embed code, then copy that code. Go back to your Shopify theme editor and return to the custom liquid section you just added. In the text box, paste the embed code you copied from the generator. Look at the live preview on the right side of the editor. You should see your map appear there. Try clicking and dragging on the map to make sure it's interactive and responsive. If it doesn't look quite right, you can go back to the generator, tweak the size or zoom, and paste the updated code again. Once you're happy with how the map looks and behaves, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Your Google Map is now live on your Shopify store, all without needing a Google API key.